Okay, Vikram,
Yes, sir.
tell me about your family members.
Sir, my family members.
Yes.
Myself, Vikram Samrat, and my family member were all supportive. And I have two brothers and two sisters. Uh, uh, One is elder than me, and the rest are younger than me. My mother is a housewife, and my father is a government official, and they are totally, we can say that they are supporting in every segment, wherever it's a field of education or it's a field of sports, anything. They support me in every direction.
What about bike riding?
Bike riding, sir, it is my passion, and discovering some new bikes and going with new segments of sports bikes, or maybe it's a cruiser bike. These attracts me more.
Okay,
And
is your father supportive in your bike riding also?
well, my father is not totally supportive in bike riding, but anyhow, they're not. They also somehow, we can say that they're not in any place. They don't deny for doing that.
Appreciate. Anurag,
Yes.
you tell me two current affairs of the world.
No, current.
Yes, current affairs. Two current affairs.
World.
Yes. You don't know?
Yes.
Okay. You tell me about your educational background.
I am a I 10 I completed 10th in Kusisa Rajasthan is my village, and my 12th complete in Rosura, Samastipur district.
Okay. You haven't bring your certificate of class 12 or 10.
No, sir.
Why?
I have not with me.
Okay. So, in which subject you pursue in class 12?
Commerce.
Commerce.
Yes.
Which subject you have interest?
In 12th.
Yes. In
Accountancy.
commerce, accountancy.
Yes.
Do you think accounts is really important
Yes, sir.
How?
In business sector.
in business sector?
Yes.
How?
Because it is daily to use in a business to accountancy account to buy and sell, all records are doings, and also
But anyone can do these things. It is an
yes,
for that you don't require such kind of accountancy knowledge.
yes,
Even
But-
layman can do in India, because Indians is known for mathematics and analytical solutions.
yes, sir. But the matters of accountancy, the subject, according to the subject, there are different kinds of accountancy we are doing. First of all, in this accountancy, we make the shortly, and we can reach any persons of seller, yeah, or buyer. We can reach easily, and we can also make the total easily,
Okay.
check the totally, and also we check the bank details transfer.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Vikram, you know, recently Modi ji has announced repealing of 3 controversial Farm
Yes.
Act. Do you think his step is in a right way? Do you think so?
Sir, as till now, today the law has been repealed,
Correct.
and as if I have to support the statement, then it's totally correct, because for farmers, the farmer can't, we can say that, store and sell the crops at a particular time, and every crops has a certain time limits. They may be, we can say, the get rotten, and the farmers don't have, we can say that, use space to store it.
That
And-
means you are favoring MSP for the
Yes,
farmers.
sir. Yes, sir.
Do you think India being a very vast country, is it feasible to implement MSP for 23 crops in India? Do you think so?
Sir, for 23 crops, we can say that we can't. It's not favorable to we can say that initiate or we can MSP for every crops. But individually, if a farmer is growing a particular crops, then this can be initiated so that means the farmer can easily trade with the customer.
But yes, trading, there was one act also that pertains to your trade and commerce of agriculture, where seller of any place, means like a seller of Begusarai
Yes,
can sell to the persons of Kerala or other part of country. That was a good initiative, but however, farmer agitated because of some reasons and because of the APMC Mandi. You know
Yes,
about
sir.
APMC Mandi, agriculture producing marketing
Yes.
schemes. Okay, anyway, so how you assess the present government performance?
Sir,
Yes.
present government performance. First of all, the government, as in we can say that in this pandemic era, the government has taken so many initiatives to maintain the economic of our country. And if we say that, if we ask for, we can say that if a gram panchayat, or we can say that if our ward commissioner asks for some taxes or some amount to for construction of road, or maybe it's construction for anything, or maybe it's for supplying food to the poor peoples, then we will not able, or we won't give to them. But as the government had initiated by increasing taxes, or we
Do
can
you
say,
think government performed good in COVID crisis? Do you think so?
sir, till now the result has if the government has not taken any step, then we have the vast disaster. We can say that the people may have affected a lot, and through that we have so many death crises in our country. But the good step of our government is that they had taken it's maybe a late move, but taken at a right time.
Okay. Have you heard about PM's Care Fund?
PM Care Fund.
Yes. Have you heard about it? No.
People's-
Over to you, Nitish.
Yes. You mentioned about bike riding. You aware from the accident from this particular domain. 1 to 2 lakh people every year died from this, and also major concerns of the environment happens for the personal vehicles, and families are not giving permission this type of thing. Then to see the scenario of the country, world, and the family members, how the people, how a person or a student is giving this is carrying mentality to riding a bike and go for the adventurous things, so it can harm the family member and also for the country. Do you think means why the people are going on this way to be adventurous, or the riding a vehicle and also other things? Do you think it happens? What are the mentality of the people or the student who
For
are doing this?
adventurous ride.
Yeah.
Actually, the adventurous ride, we can say that it's a passion, or we can say that it's our joy, or it's our, we can say that it's only for happiness. And in every field, wherever you go, it's not only that you are going for adventurous ride. Whenever, even if you are moving on a road, you have to use your proper safety kits. That may be your helmets, your knee guards. But mostly people do that, they are avoiding helmets even on road. And if you are talking about the accident which are taking place almost 1 lakh per year, then this is because of the, we can say that the government the lack or we can say that the government system is lacking so many things, that we can say the ultimate use of power in a wrong direction, means we can say that the person who don't know what is U-turn and which vehicles should be passed if they are taking over, and they are providing driving license, which also somehow we can say that affecting.
Do you think Motor Vehicle Act, which has recently passed,
Yes, sir.
and due to which lot of hue and cry created in our country, because if you are traveling without helmet and license, you are liable to punishment in the
Yes,
form
sir.
of charges.
Yes, sir.
So do you think such kind of stringent punishment is required in our country?
Yes, sir. I do favor this statement, because if the initiative is not taken from now, then the public will do whatever they want carelessly and recklessly, and this will lead to the increase of accident rate every year, as per the, we can say, the census 1 lakh. And if this happens, then if the accident also occurs, then the person may be injured, but we don't face a death rate, increase in death rate. And whenever we use proper traffic rules also and proper safety kits, we somehow preventing the death rate in these cases.
But if you see the recent report, annually India accounts for 1.5 lakh death,
Yes, sir.
a road accident. Yes, although we have brought this type of fact,
Yes, sir.
but however we are unable to control the death rate due to your accident of road vehicles.
Yes.
So is there any solution, concrete solution, so that we can drastically reduce such kind of accidents apart from bringing act?
No.
No? Okay. Okay, Anurag,
Yes.
what is your favorite subject?
Subject.
Yes. What is your favorite subject?
No.
None.
You
You are a student, no?
Yes.
You should have such favorite subject.
No, sir. But all subject.
All subjects are equal.
Like, yes.
You like all subjects. You
Yes,
like
yes.
psychology also.
Yes.
Very good. Do you think psychology is important for everyone?
Yes.
How?
Because many have illness or behaviors are depend on the psychology, and many peoples are don't know about it in the area of an education, like village area. Most of people
Okay, you
don't
first
know
define psychology. What is psychology?
psychology.
Yes. And read my psychology. Because you have interest in psychology, no? Do you know anthropology? Anthropology, you know?
No, sir.
How can you say that I prefer all subjects equally? There are a lot of subjects in this world.
Yes.
How can you say that? What about philosophy? Do you know about philosophy?
No.
So, it is a blunder to say that all subjects are equal. Whatever subject you have studied in your class, in earlier class,
Yes.
that was one part of your subjects. But there are also a lot of subjects, a lot of disciplines. Okay, I know you have profound interest in economics.
Yes.
Actually, that I wanted to hear. Because you have given presentation in your economics.
Not
And
much.
you-
but
and you have
little,
a-
yes.
Little ideas about economics. So, do you think India is in good economy?
No, sir.
How and why?
Because of the crisis of pandemic.
Do you think? Are you sure?
Also the government are equal.
Liable.
Yes.
Okay, Vikram. Do
Yes,
you
sir.
think monetization works in our country? Do you think so?
Sir,
Yes,
monetization.
demonetization. sorry.
Demonet-
Yes.
Sir, well, if we say that demonetization, then this has also two faces. The money that has been wherever it invested, these money only get till now get erupted, And if we talk about demonetization, then in some space we can say that it doesn't work properly, because the government is making richer person more rich and the poorer more poor because of so many reasons. First of all, we can say that taking the example of government project, that is BSNL, and second one is that is private project, that is by Reliance, that is Mukesh Ambani. We can see that within the 2 to 3 years we have a great we can say that vast scope of Jio, and the Jio has taken we can say captured the market in within 3 years, within the limit of 3 years, whereas the BSNL, which is running from, we can say that since I am knowing BSNL, it is my first, I think it is my first network when I was using BSNL, and these are going day by day, we can say that these are going in a depth.
But I am not totally agree with you.
Yes, sir.
Jio also brought your revolution in the society, because even poor people can afford internet. And in this way, digital divide, which was buzzword of Supreme Court in 2015, is somehow reduced.
Sir, I agree, but this initiative can be also brought up by the government, but they didn't think about that, and it's the fall of government, or we can say that it's the fall of our system, that they didn't think about it. And if we are talking about Jio, then these are the private networks, and they have used some marketing skills so that they can capture the market. And if you are growing, then you know how to grow, and if you are we can say that addicting some peoples, then you know that if you have to addict, then you have to give some offers to them, and this is the well offered we can say that given by
Yes, in one perspective
Yes,
you
sir.
are correct, but if you see the other parts of the coin,
Yes, sir.
21st century is known for the privatization,
Yes, sir.
where you have to give private players to run the economy. If you see the case of prior 1991, our country was so corrupt in many sense.
Yes.
Like there were licensee Raj, you know about these things.
Yes, sir.
And that's why private players did not grow, which actually country actually should have at that
Yes,
time. But this time, yes, government is doing in the same way. And whatever you talk about the BSNL, yes,
Yes.
BSNL was the first telecom sector of this country.
Yes.
But due to the uncompetitive environment prevailed at that time, that's why BSNL became very lethargic institute. And now government is trying the best by giving bailout. And since many employees have been engaged in this organization, that's why you can't remove BSNL in one particular day, because it is a question of livelihood for many employees. But to run the economy, to run the country like India, you have to give preference to the private players. But yes, at the same time, you should also take care of inequality, which is actually increasing day by day.
Yes, sir.
You see the case 2 days back, we heard that Adani became the richest person in Asia by
Removing
by
Mukesh Ambani.
superseding Mukesh Ambani.
Yes.
Correct. So this is not a healthy practice in our country, because very few peoples are going very
Yes, sir.
forward as compared to the rest one. So how we can remove the inequality in our society in terms of wealth or income?
Wealth or income.
Yes.
First of all, we government need to make the programs and schemes, like little terms of like make the stations in village area. So with the help of making the stations, some of people have give employment, and we can apply the any sectors.
Okay, that means that you are saying that if we give employment,
Yes,
it will automatically cater the problem of inequality.
yes, sir. In terms of salary or
Okay, not bad.
earning.
Over to you, Nitish.
I have a question for you. Yeah. Do you agree? Thought of clarity and a speaking skill
Yes.
generate and empower the people's personality.
Yes.
Do you agree?
Yes.
Justify.
First of all, the front of peoples who are clear about the any thoughts. First of all, we can say the confidence, and we also focus on their respond, how their minds active, and that's all.
Your answer completed.
Yes.
Same question.
The clarity of speaking,
Clarity of speaking, clarity of thought
clarity of thoughts.
enhance the personality of the person.
Well, when we speak or when we communicate with the person, the second person, it leaves a response or impression which somehow impress the person and build, we can say, the picture of yours, and this lets you to live in a society where the person can identify by your words that these are the, we can say, the senior citizens of our society, or the well known and renowned citizen of our society. And second thing, that whenever you speak in a polite manner, you building some, we can say, that good impact in other person mind, and this shows your nature of behavior, that you are interacting with the people. And third, we can say that whenever you speak clearly, whenever in front of people, they know that this person are sharp minded, or they know that this person are clear at have a clear throat, which in future maybe it's upon his words, and will not turn from his words. This also create, we can say, the strong point in the person's mind. And clear of thoughts, whenever it comes, means that you are free to speak in front of people, and whenever you leave fear from inside from you, then you are speaking clearly with the people, and with the conditions and situations, you are, we can say, that you are trying to be a perfect one there, and this leaves somehow great impression on the people's mind.
Yes.
Okay, conclude the interview. Conclude. Go on. Conclude. How was your interview?
Below the average.
Below the average. Why?
I'm not taking the all question.
That's why it is a below average.
Yes, sir. In myself.
Have you learned anything?
Yes.
Okay. Bikram, conclude the interview.
Well, there is a, we can say, fluctuation in our interview, but although my interview is all set and all good, and from this interview I have learned so many things, that it's maybe, we can say, that demonetizations, or it may be it's your marketing skills, and it's about your government policy schemes and policy which we are going through. And it's, if it's talking about our roads and safety, we can say that our day-to-day life safeties, and moving to the other palace, like adventurous palace, and traveling to the other palace, we have so many things to be in our mind while traveling to so many palace. And from these things, whichever we have covered in our interview, really we can say that it is a appreciative move, and we have learned so many things that should be initiated in our daily life also, and this will somehow, we can say, that improve our daily life, and let other peoples also learn from us, so that they can, whatever they are doing mistake, can realize that they, or he or maybe she doing the mistake, and they can improve themselves. Thank you.
Excellent.
Yes.
Excellent. You can go.
Close.
Very good. Excellent.